A powerful bomb exploded early this morning at around 4:30 nearby a coaching center in Reims Road, Nagampal, Imphal. Reportedly, a girl sustained minor injury in the incident, and 8 shops located in the vicinity of the blast site were damaged due to the impact of the blast. Police are now investigating the case. AICC General Secretary Gaurav Gogoi, in his visit to Manipur, had yesterday said that the Supreme Court's order directing Manipur Speaker to decide on Shyam Kumar's disqualification case is like a tight slap to the ruling BJP government. Wushu players staged protests at Khuman Lampak today demanding proper practice hall for Wushu and Taekwondo players. The players held placards demanding proper facilities.